Hello and welcome to Double Dot Animation Training School. Today we're gonna learn about ball animation. In this session, you're gonna learn about timing in animation, also how to add keyframes, and how to edit the keys, and how to use the graph editor within Maya. First of all, we create a plane object and then a ball in order to start animating. By using the S key, you're gonna place the object in the 3D world and it is gonna lock down the position of that ball in its place. We hit the first S key and then we turn on the auto key from here, which is red.